Good morning, good afternoon. Big up on yourself, people of the world. 2 thumbs up. Like and share this if you don't like it. And big up on yourself and you don't know so on the large. The thing about it when I put out on the stage right now, me I cuss Jamaican. We Jamaican. We not Jamaican. No said them Jamaican. I run it and say me say them Jamaican. Me say we Jamaican. Alright now. Small way nasty ass Jamaican. Where get pitney and now do nothing for the pit them. You see? And then when you see them turn out do something good, when I come at about phone the pitney that someone wanna go. Some of the dirty ass, worthless ass, careless ass, nasty ass, nincompoop Jamaican fi go. You see, I'm gonna chuck off and one of them mud something where I jot down and make it kill on the blood clot. And then again, some of the dirty ass Jamaican we have on a mother and on a father. You see, a Jamaica had not back shit out the Agmouth and not at all not go on for them. And when them dead on there, I run a drop down a cemetery yard, I drop down a graveside, I drop down a dead yard, I drop down somewhere else, on fi go. On fi go. You see? Chuck off in one big stone and make it kill on the blood clot. And some of the dirty ass Jamaican we have on brother and on sister but not at all not go on for while everything are going for uno. You see, and not do nothing for the brother and sister. When we chuck off in one big stone, make it jot down pound and kill on nasty ass. Uno fi go. And some of the Jamaican where people help on out the best way and then uno show people ungrateful and then even want to turn around and murder them, pay money to kill them, to start them a pass. Uno fi go. So I'm gonna jump on a big stone, make a big stone jump on and press out on the head and kill on a blood clot. No apology. Uno fi go. And some of the dirty ass Jamaican. You see, we have something to give me. You see, and then you gotta wait pan if I wait pan me for dead and then you say if me didn't know me that give me now. Uno fi go. Uno fi make car lick down on a pussy clot. Uno fi go. And some of the dirty ass Jamaican. Where you come up, go up people yard and see people business and go out and attack it and tell your friends say, oh this no look good and that no look good. You know go. And some of the dirty ass Jamaican where a man give you a bus and send it to you want to go foreign country. And when you reach a foreign country, you show people in bad mind, train for run over on a bomb class and go. And some of the dirty ass Jamaican. You see? Where I see people I try to survive. And I try to stop them a pass. You see? Some of you we drink some porridge and go. The porridge burn up on a post wall. Same way. You fi go. Some of you come and lick on keep big function for people. When you hear say people dead. But oh, I have news for you. Because the man was dead or the woman was dead, they have no more bills to pay. None of them girls where can man about pussy and I get the wrong number, can't can them no more. Or the woman them. You see? One of it go. You see? This is one of them go. Pagan ass dirty people. One of it go. And if you like this, like and share. Subscribe to my channels. And big up on yourself. And all the pagan when you like this, one of it go. Like big son jack and pound the press out in the head and kill on the blood clot.